Hi, my dear students. Let us begin data handling. Today, in the introduction part, let us know what is data. My dear students, you are heard about data even in the computer subject, even in a mathematics. In the mathematics, what is data? Data is a one type of information. That information how we are going to get by the collection. We are going to collect the data, that is by the information. My dear students, the lesson name is data handling. What do you mean handling? Handling means arrangement or manage or organization. We are going to organize the data in a systematic way. That is called data handling. My dear students, while collecting the information, there are two types of information. One is in the limited form, another one will be unlimited form information, also open-ended. I mean there is no end for collecting the information. So in that way we are going to collect the data. Data is called information. We are collecting the information. After collecting the information, we are going to handle that. That is in the form of we may arrange it or we may manage it, we may organize that. So that is called data handling. After collecting the data, we are doing in the form of tabular form. Tabular form in the sense table. Just we are going to put in the form of table. That table is in this way: serial number, items or observation. What will be the next one is tally marks. Next the column is frequency. My dear students, serial number you know, order wise the number, items in the sense in the what we are going to collect the information. Either it might be an item or observation, might be a marks, etc. It is depends on the situation. So what do you mean tally marks? Tally marks in the sense we use for easy counting. We use for easy counting. For example, to represent tally marks 5, we put 5 column and the fifth one will be diagonal or slanting. 4 standing line, the fifth one will be the slanting line. My dear student, if it is 1, we are representing 1 standing line. If it is 2, we are representing 2. 3 standing line, 4 standing line. The fifth one will be the in this form. Next, if sixth one, seventh one, eighth one means one group, the next the ninth one, 10th one, you will get the 2 groups of tally marks. Hope you understood that these tally marks will help us for easy counting, as well as you will not get any confusion whether you have counted or not. If you've shown the data in the form of tabular column or tabular form, it is easy to understand and easy to calculate. This is just like a game, my dear students. How many times it is repeated, those things can be calculated. The next word, hope it is new for you, frequency. Frequency in the sense occurs over a particular of time. How many times it is repeated, that is called frequency. We use tally marks for what? How many times the marks has repeated, the item has repeated. So we use tally marks here. The next we write by counting that, we will write in the form of number, that is frequency. Occurs over a particular of time, or we can call it as representative value. Representative value. Frequency means how many times it is repeated. Hope you understood what is data handling, tabular form, tally marks, frequency. One more thing here we are learning that is range. What do you mean range? Range is, you can heard about the range, network range. What do you mean range? Range in the sense the range will be showing in the mobile in this way, right? It will be showing in this way. This is, you will call it as a network range. What is the range? So what is the range? Highest minus lowest. H minus L in the sense highest minus lowest is equal to range. Highest minus lowest is equal to range. Whatever the given data, you have to arrange it in a one order. Either might be ascending order or descending order. You can write the data, then you have to find the range. For example, the collection of data will be in this 3, 4, 8, 9, 2. This is the collection of data. We have to find out the range of this. In this, which is the highest? Highest is 9. Which is the lowest? 2. Then what is the range is equal to highest minus lowest. 9 minus 2. So the range is 7. So these data lies between the range in the form of 7. The answer is the range is 7. Hope you understood what is range. Highest minus lowest. In this introduction part, we have learned that data handling, data information or collection, handling, arrangement or manage, organizing the data. Tabular form. In all the collection of data, we are representing in the form of table. That is serial number, items or anything you can take, observation, marks, whatever it is, depends on the situation and depends on the given data. Tally marks. These marks, how many times it is repeated, we are showing in the form of tally marks. That tally marks value is called as frequency. That is, representative value. Hope you understood how to put the tally marks and how to find the range. Thank you, my dear students.